Alrighty, about to take the 62 Impala out for its maiden voyage after the fans have been installed. Alright, got the custom radiator hoses, top and bottom. Got the custom fans. Everything's badass. It's pretty well engineered. That's what that looks like there. It's insulated, but it's sealed up real nice, so there's very little loss of efficiency with airflow. So now we're gonna start it up, take it for a spin. It is 114 degrees today. It's 114 right now. So we're gonna take this out and
outstanding. Girl, you knock me out. Exciting. You make me wanna shout.
Girl, you're looking sweet tonight. You're kinda every day, girl. Wish that I could love you right in a special way, girl. You light my fire. I feel alive within you. You blow my mind. I'm satisfied.
we're about to take the car out. It's 114 degrees today. Actually, it's 114 right now. So
which means 135 in the car.
yeah, pretty much. So we're gonna take it out for a test drive. Check out the fans and the coolant, the upper and lower coolant tubes. So yeah, we'll check it out and see how it runs and see what if it's gonna get hot today. It's not gonna get hot because it ain't gonna get hotter than 114. So right now it's at 160 degrees. So. Shut off. That's how hot it is. The phone shut off because the phone overheated. So that's how you know it's hot. 114 is hot. It's probably like 120 inside the vehicle.
What's the car?
180.
And we drove what? Maybe 5 miles?
Yeah. Fine.
In 120 degree weather. 115.
Well, the under hood temperature
feels like 130.
Really hot.
Right?
Yeah, we could stop at O'Reilly.
With the phone cool off?
Yeah. That's how you know the car works good, is when the phone needs to cool off, but the car is fine.
Could you go buy me some oil for my truck?
It needs oil?
No, I'm just, like instead of buying me a drink, like, what else can you buy here? Go over there in the shade. Your phone's hot. Do we need anything here?
We can check the fans out though, see how everything's working. Your eyeballs sweating?
Yeah. Stings.
Yeah, get a fan work. You can feel the air. So basically the fans work.
AC?
Huh?
The AC?
Yeah, the fans work so well that you can put your hand down here and you can touch it, and it's hot, it's bearable. That's how well the fans work. They even turned off, which means the fans work better than they actually need to. So there's some reserve capacity.
Oh, good.
So they just turned off right now. So yeah, it works really well. So there's no issue with, it's not gonna have any issues with overheating at all.
What the temp?
All right, 175. Run about 55, 60 miles an hour on the freeway. Everything's still good, still solid. Phone is still overheating. So as long as the car's not overheating, we're good, right? Yeah, everything works great. Not a problem. well-engineered system.
Who engineered it?
TJ.
So lucky now, have you all alone? I really love the way you love, wherever I'm baby. You blow my mind, baby. I'm so alive, baby. You blow my mind.
Temperature is, after a long drive, let's see. There you go. About 175. Pretty good. Let's see the diesels. You can even feel the, just everything just hot. The outside, the body's hot. It's a lot of heat today. Want a good skirt, Rebecca?
Sure.